Hi everyone, I miss you all so much. I hope you are having a wonderful and relaxing summer like I am. But I hope you're not relaxing too much. Today I'm just talking briefly about the summer slide and tips on how to prevent the summer slide. So, the summer slide is basically what happens to your brain if over the summer you're not, you know, exercising it. That's what happens when we come back to the beginning of the school year and your brain's kind of turned to mush and you start thinking, I remember once being able to do these things and solving these problems, but I've just had too much of a relaxing summer. So the summer slide is when your mental capabilities have kind of slid a little. Um, Typically, over the summer, 2 whole months of reading skills are actually lost over the summer, and that's really scary. So, we have to keep our brains active. 6 weeks in the fall, so when we return to the school year, are actually spent relearning old material because you've forgotten it all. So, it's a lot of kind of time that's being wasted when you get back into the classroom to relearn old stuff. 2.6 months of math skills are lost over the summer. So that feeling that you're not capable of doing things is not because you're not capable, it's because you've just gotten out of practice. So what we suggest is 2 to 3 hours per week um, of you exercising those skills and practicing them over the summer to prevent that summer slide. So what can you do? One is that you can read for at least 20 minutes each day, which doesn't seem like a lot, but over the summer you will have read a total of about 4 books if you just crack open a book and read for at least 20 minutes. You can read with somebody, you can listen to an audiobook, but the point is just to get your brain thinking about plot and character and all those good things. The second tip is to review skills from the school year that has just passed, and if possible, prepare for skills for the next school year so that you're ready. Thirdly, make sure that you talk about what you learned with somebody because that's going to help also activate your brain and help you remember what you've actually learned. And of course, go outside and be active because a lot of summer slide is just staying at home and not activating your body. Your body is very much connected to your brain. So being active and moving around will also help you prevent that summer slide. So today we're going to actually go through some resources that are available online to help you get past your summer slide. All right, the first resource I wanted to talk about is iExcel. So once you log into iExcel, as you know, there's going to be your recommendations. Those are based on what you've done in the past. And you have recommendations for math and English that should already be set up when you log in. They'll tell you what skills you can build up on, what skills you can keep at, skills that you can try that are new, skills that you can challenge yourself with. So you can kind of pick and choose what you want to work on there. The other cool thing that iExcel has actually added, let's say we go to math here. This is available under math and language arts. You could click on math under learning, then math, then go to skill plans. This is kind of something cool that they added. It's the summer spotlight. So let's say you're in 6th grade now and you're going into 7th grade. All you gotta do is click on 7th grade and it gives you an actual plan, a 4-week plan. You can follow it however you want, based on skills that they have highlighted or spotlit, for you to smoothly transition from 6th grade to 7th grade. So just a daily plan for you. That's if you are somebody who likes plans. If not, you can always go to your recommendations. Remember, 2 to 3 hours a week is totally fine. So this is if you like the structure. If you're, let's say, in 8th grade and you're going into algebra next year, you can click on Algebra 1, and then they will give you the 4-week plan. You can also print it out, but I mean, it's pretty accessible through here. You can just click on whatever skill you want to work on. Again, this is available also under language arts. Just go to skill plans, and then you can click on the grade level you're going into. Okay, so that way you're not just reviewing old stuff, but you're kind of doing a preview as to what next year's skills would look like. And then if you want to look into science, social studies, all that stuff is there. You just have to click on the grade level. Again, you can review last year's stuff or next year's stuff, or even dabble into in 2 years or old stuff. It's all there for you under IXL, under our school subscription. So use it. There's a lot of cool stuff there. The second resource I wanted to share with you is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is free, so it's not dependent upon your school account, which is awesome. You can go under courses, and you can either click on your grade level math down here to either review old stuff or look into next year's courses, or Khan Academy just added this new feature, Math Get Ready courses. So just like on IXL, it's a nice bridge between what your current math level, or math course is, and next year's course. So for instance, if you're in 8th grade and you want to get ready for Algebra 1, you can click on Get Ready for Algebra 1. You might see those percentages there, because a lot of math is review and building upon old stuff. So the reason why there's percentages there already is because you might have already worked on some skills that are gonna come back again next school year. So that's why there's a percentage that might be there already. It's not all completely new. So again, if you go to Get Ready for Algebra 1, like if you're an 8th grader going on to algebra next year, you have all the stuff here to kind of help you review. You could always start with the course challenge. That's kind of like the test for the end of the course. Remember, it's not for a grade. So you can always just challenge yourself like a pre-test to see how you're doing going into next year. What's the stuff you already know, and what's the stuff you need to review? And that might be a good place for you to start, rather than just starting from the very beginning and feeling very overwhelmed. You might find out that you already know a lot of stuff, and it'll help you kind of pick and choose which of these topics you actually want to work on. Or it might remind you that you've forgotten some things that you knew just 1 month ago. Okay, so those are the 2 resources I wanted to share with you. As always, I do have my YouTube channel that you can always explore. I will send you the link to that, because I've actually changed channels, because the other one just got to be so much. My channel blew up over summer because a lot of people are doing this distance learning stuff. So I ended up starting a new one. So I'll send you the link to that, because you might still be seeing my old channel. But all the lessons that I have made over the past 2 school years are in there if you want to get some actual review that way. I'll say no views for now because I just moved over. But that'll always be available to you as well. Math with Miss Sun. All right, so I hope that you will practice. Remember, just at least 2 to 3 hours a day this summer. Keep your brain fresh so that you're prepared for us next school year. And of course, enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye.